I just want to give a shout out to this great program from Stellar Phoenix, Exchange Database Recovery Program. It's a very simple to use program. If you need to recover data from corrupted databases such as the EDB database file, you just install this on a Windows 10 computer, server computer, doesn't really matter. You load the database, and then you just easily do a quick scan or an extensive scan, and you can select which database you want to recover. You can recover the database to a separate folder on your computer. You can recover it in different file formats such as .pst, .msg, .html. Very simple to use. I used it. It was very quick, simple, efficient. Instead of using PowerShell commands on the Exchange server, and I was very happy to use it. And I highly rate this program, and I will use it in the future when I have an issue. And very good program, and I recommend it to everyone. And thank you for watching this video. Thanks.